All right, let's get it in the hole. Without incident. Everything should go smooth. My legs are out of the way. My connector doesn't hit. Voltage out of the way. Yeah, she'd be in. Give you a better angle there. Yeah, she's in. So now what I'm going to do is I'll probably try to get at least one screw in the front here to secure it down. I'll try to get one on this side too. I might be able to get one in there with my right angle fitting. Get the coil slid in there, and we'll start working on the getting the old heat pump disconnected, and work on getting our line set prepped. Yeehaw!